This is a guided meditation based on a Qi Gong sitting practice designed to help you regulate your body's energy for better mental, emotional, and physical health. The objective here is for you to quickly relax your body with very little effort. By the end of this meditation, I would love for you to feel good inside. I'd love for you to feel more emotionally balanced and have better energy for the rest of your day. So go ahead and get comfortable. You can either lay down or sit up. It's totally up to you. Just ensure you're in a comfortable position. And go ahead and close your eyes. I know we have a busy day and there's a lot of stuff going on, but during the next few minutes, we just want to make sure that we're dedicating this time to cleansing our bodies, cleansing our minds, cleansing our emotions, because we deserve this time. Deserve a few minutes to just let go and relax. And that's what we'll be doing, just letting go and relaxing. So our intention here is to regulate our body's energy so we feel good at the end of the session. Alright, let's take a few deep breaths. Just let our body soak into the chair that we're sitting in or the bed that we're laying down in. So deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. With each deep breath, our intention here is just to let go of tension that we have in our bodies. I want you to notice feeling supported by your chair, feeling supported by your bed. Just let go. Let your body just let the chair or the bed take your full weight. Deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. One last time, deep breath in and exhale. Go ahead and relax your head now. So your head is the top of your head, your face, the back of your head, your ears. Just let it go. Let go of any stress or tension you're holding in your head. Relax your head. Now relax your neck. We tend to store a lot of tension around our neck, so let go. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. If there's any tension in your shoulders, just drop your shoulders into your bed, or if you're sitting up, just let your shoulders just fall. Just let them just drop. Then relax your left arm, your left hand and your fingers. Relax your right arm, your hand, your fingers. Relax your chest. Let go of any tension you're holding in your chest. Relax your abdomen. And then relax your back, from top to bottom, the entire back. Just let go of any stress or tension you're holding there. And relax your hips. And relax your thighs. Relax your calves. Relax your feet and your toes. Observe how quiet it is now, just in this space to relax and chill. If you notice any tension anywhere in your body, recognize it and let it go. And let's do this body scan once more to relax your head. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Relax your left arm, your left hand, and your fingers. Relax your right arm, your right hand, and your fingers. Relax your chest. Relax your abdomen. Relax your back. Relax your hips. Relax your thighs and your calves. Relax your feet and toes. Alright, we're approaching the end of our brief 10-minute meditation. I hope you enjoyed this, and feel free to repeat this as many times as you'd like, and check out some of our other meditations. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.